Hi, in this video, we are going to take a look at the key features of the Philips MG5740x15 multi-grooming kit. This trimmer comes with a rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery that gives 80 minutes of cordless use for every 16 hours of charge. The trimmer comes with a metallic finish and an ergonomic grip, making it sturdy and ideal for repeated usage. This grooming kit comes with dual cut technology. Basically, there are twice the number of blades. Also, they're self-sharpening. This kit comes with a total of 12 attachments. Leaving the one that's on the trimmer, there are 3 beard combs, 3 hair combs, 2 body combs, a precision shaver, a metallic detail shaver, and a nose hair trimmer. This kit can be used to style your hair, your face, and your body. And those are some of the key features of the Philips MG5740x15 multi-grooming kit. Thank you for watching.